Are you searching for the top 7 best mini PCs 2025 that deliver powerful performance without taking up space? Rocket from lightning-fast processors to compact designs that fit right on your desk or entertainment center, mini PCs have become the go-to solution for work, gaming, and streaming in 2025. In this video, we'll explore the top-rated models that combine efficiency, portability, and affordability, perfect for professionals, students, and tech enthusiasts alike. Whether you're after smooth multitasking, high-quality graphics, or just a reliable everyday system, we've got you covered. All product links are in the description, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe for more trusted tech reviews. 1. Apple 2024 Mac Mini Desktop Computer with M4 chip with 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU. When it comes to premium performance in a small form factor, the Apple 2024 Mac Mini Desktop Computer with M4 chip is easily one of the top 7 best mini PCs 2025. Powered by a 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU, this device is built for Apple intelligence, delivering exceptional speed, smooth multitasking, and advanced AI capabilities. With 16 GB unified memory and 256 GB SSD storage, it offers ample performance for both creative professionals and everyday users who rely on Apple's seamless ecosystem. The integration with iPhone and iPad is flawless, making cross-device work effortless. Whether you're editing 4K videos, running design software, or simply handling multiple workflows, the Mac Mini maintains stability and speed. Another highlight is its Gigabit Ethernet support, ensuring fast and reliable connectivity, whether at home or in the office. Apple's M4 chip also improves energy efficiency, giving you high performance without unnecessary power consumption. While the entry-level 256 GB storage may feel limiting for some, it's easily expandable with external drives, making it flexible for professional setups. If you're invested in Apple products, this Mac Mini is a perfect desktop solution that combines compact design with powerhouse features. Overall, the Apple Mac Mini M4 is a sleek, future-ready mini desktop that stands out as a premium choice for 2025. 2. KAMRUI GK3 Plus Mini PC 16 GB RAM, 512 GB M.2 SSD. Intel 12th Alder Lake N95, up to 3.4 GHz, Micro PC. If you're looking for one of the top 7 best mini PCs 2025 that balances affordability, performance, and versatility, the KAMRUI GK3 Plus Mini PC is a fantastic choice. Equipped with Intel's 12th Gen Alder Lake N95 processor, up to 3.4 GHz, this mini computer provides reliable speed for home, office, or even light creative tasks. With 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB M.2 SSD, it ensures smooth multitasking, quick boot times, and ample storage for most users. There's also an option to expand with a 2.5 SSD, making it flexible for heavier workloads. Connectivity is another strength. This mini PC supports Gigabit Ethernet, 4K UHD output, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, making it capable of handling everything from business presentations to streaming in high resolution. It's compact and Visa-mountable, so you can attach it behind your monitor for a clutter-free setup. While it's not designed for high-end gaming, it's more than enough for daily productivity, media use, and even some light editing. One standout benefit is its energy efficiency. Compared to traditional desktops, the GK3 Plus consumes far less power while still maintaining reliable performance, making it a cost-effective and eco-friendly option. For professionals who want a dependable workstation or families looking for a small but powerful home PC, this model hits the sweet spot. Overall, the KAMRUI GK3 Plus is an excellent budget-friendly mini PC that proves you don't need to spend big for quality performance in 2025. 3. ACEMAGICIan Kron Mini K1 Mini PC, Ryzen 7 5825U, upgraded 5700U/7430U, 16 GB DDR4, 512 GB SSD. The ACEMAGICIan Kron Mini K1 earns its spot in the top 7 best mini PCs 2025, as a compact powerhouse built for productivity and entertainment. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor, it delivers clock speeds up to 4.5 GHz, making it capable of handling demanding workloads, light gaming, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. Combined with 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, this mini PC offers smooth performance, quick boot-ups, and plenty of storage space for files and apps. One of its standout features is the triple 4K display support, which makes it ideal for professionals who need multiple monitors for work or gamers who want immersive visuals. Whether you're editing videos, trading stocks, or running office software, this mini PC ensures seamless productivity. It also includes Bluetooth and Wi-Fi 6 for strong connectivity and faster data transfers. The design is sleek, portable, and easy to fit in any workspace. Unlike bulky towers, the Kron Mini K1 blends style and performance without clutter. For light to moderate gaming, the integrated graphics handle popular titles efficiently, though it's more suited to office work and media use than AAA gaming. Overall, the ACEMAGICIan Kron Mini K1 is a solid all-rounder mini PC that combines performance, compact size, and advanced display support, making it one of the best mini desktop choices in 2025. 4. ACEMAGIC V1 Mini PC Computers, Intel Twin Lake N150, Turbo 3.6 GHz, 16 GB DDR4 RAM 1 TB SSD. If storage is your priority, the ACEMAGIC V1 Mini PC deserves your attention in the top 7 best mini PCs 2025 lineup. Featuring Intel's Twin Lake N150 processor with turbo speeds up to 3.6 GHz. This micro PC is designed for reliability and daily efficiency. Paired with 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a massive 1 TB M.2 SSD, it provides plenty of room for storing heavy files, multimedia content, and software applications without performance lags. The ACEMAGIC V1 also supports 4K resolution via HDMI and DisplayPort, ensuring crisp visuals whether you're working, streaming, or video conferencing. With dual Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Gigabit Ethernet, it offers flexible connectivity to match modern needs. Its compact form factor makes it perfect for offices, dorm rooms, or minimalist setups, and the included Visa mount allows for a clutter-free workstation. While it's not tailored for high-end gaming, it performs admirably in productivity, streaming, and multi-display setups. The fast SSD combined with expandable options makes it a future-proof investment for those who prioritize speed and storage. In short, the ACEMAGIC V1 Mini PC balances affordability, power, and spacious storage, making it a top recommendation for professionals and home users in 2025. 5. GMKtec M5 Plus Gaming Mini PC Ryzen 7 5825U, 32 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD. For those who want a more gaming-oriented option in the top 7 best mini PCs 2025, the GMKtec M5 Plus is a standout. Powered by the Ryzen 7 5825U processor, an upgraded 7430U/5700U variant, this mini PC boasts impressive speed for gaming, content creation, and professional use. With a whopping 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB SSD storage, it ensures blazing fast multitasking, quick data access, and ample room for large games or creative projects. A unique highlight is the dual NIC LAN 2.5 GB support, which caters to gamers and professionals who need stable, high-speed wire connections. It also supports triple 4K display output, making it ideal for immersive setups or multi-monitor productivity. Add Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, USB-C, and HDMI 2.0, and you get a versatile machine built for both work and play. The compact design makes it portable yet powerful, while the quiet cooling system ensures it can handle demanding tasks without overheating. For gamers, it's not at the same level as dedicated gaming rigs with discrete GPUs, but it handles casual and medium-intensity games smoothly. Overall, the GMKtec M5 Plus combines speed, storage, and gaming-friendly features, making it one of the most performance-packed mini PCs for 2025. 6. Beelink SCR8 Mini PC, AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD. The Beelink SCR8 Mini PC is a true powerhouse in the top 7 best mini PCs 2025 lineup, especially for users seeking cutting-edge speed. With an AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS processor, 8 cores, 16 threads, up to 4.9 GHz, it delivers desktop-level performance in a compact frame. Backed by 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, it ensures lightning-fast responsiveness, future-proof storage, and excellent multitasking capabilities. Its standout feature is support for 4K at 144 Hz across triple displays, making it an excellent choice for gamers, designers, and video editors. The inclusion of USB 4, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2 ensures seamless connectivity with the latest devices and peripherals. Despite its small size, the SCR8 is built with robust cooling to manage intensive tasks without throttling performance. For professionals, it offers workstation-level capabilities in an ultra-compact form, while for gamers, it supports smooth gameplay at high resolutions for most modern titles, excluding heavy AAA games that require discrete GPUs. The build quality is sleek and durable, blending well into any office or gaming setup. Simply put, the Beelink SCR8 Mini PC is a high-performance, future-ready option for 2025, delivering speed, display power, and storage in one compact device. 7. GEEKOM Mini PC AX8 Max, AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD. Rounding out the top 7 best mini PCs 2025, the GEEKOM AX8 Max is built for serious multitaskers, gamers, and business users. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS with speeds up to 4.9 GHz, it delivers remarkable computing power paired with 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe SSD for smooth operation across all workloads. This mini PC supports dual 2.5G LAN ports, making it perfect for businesses or gamers needing ultra-stable wired connections. With Radeon 780M graphics, it also delivers impressive visuals, whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running creative software. The quad display setup with 8K support sets it apart, ensuring crisp and immersive visuals for both work and entertainment. Connectivity is modern and extensive, featuring 2x USB 4/PD, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and multiple high-speed ports. Its small but solid design makes it easy to transport, while efficient cooling keeps it reliable during long sessions. Overall, the GEEKOM AX8 Max blends workstation-level features with gaming-friendly performance, making it one of the most versatile and powerful mini PCs you can buy in 2025.